Good evening, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing one of the important topic, and the name of the topic is the importance of motorcycle. Yes, we have misused motorcycle every day, and millions of people are using motorcycle every day. It is the most affordable and convenient mode of transportation in the world. Mostly all the people are using this motorcycle can also provide the freedom. We can go anywhere, everywhere, without any hesitation and without any problem of parking. Motorcycle is also became a fundamental part of our life, and it can become easy travel without any type of traffic issue, jam, and traffic congestion. We have seen that whenever we go for the four wheeler, so there is the problem of the traffic congestion, but motorcycle is always fuel efficiency, and it can also save lots of time, and it can also save fuel, and it can also provide the comfort of means parking problem, and it can easily travel in narrow road, and the person can go anywhere without any hesitation, and this is the cheapest mode of transportation in the world. Now, second thing, we should understand that motorcycle can give freedom, that we can go anywhere, everywhere, and we should use motorcycle in every means life. Means, for example, if you want to go to purchase anything, we should use the motorcycle. And if you want to go anywhere, like the some roads where there is a lots of traffic jam, so we should use motorcycle instead of using the car. It can save as lots of fuel, and it can also save means from jamming too much of the traffic. And that thing is about that. And apart from that, motorcycle is also became giving lots of employment opportunity to the people. Yes, we have seen in recently that motorcycle is also an affordable and efficient way of transportation, but it also give many job opportunity. Like we have seen that lots of the person who is means delivering the parcel, like the Amazon, Flipkart, and Zomato, and food delivery partners Swiggy, Blinkit, Big Basket. They all are the person are using motorcycle, and distributing the goods from one place to another, and the food item from one place to another. And another thing, we have also nowadays used that motorcycle is also used as a type of the taxi. Yes, you are right, friend. In nowadays, motorcycle is used as a taxi, so everyone can go with that taxi from everywhere, and it can also be easily, and it can also be very means cheap as compared to the auto rickshaw. And there is a many platform is available, like the Rapido and Ola Uber are the best example for this motorcycle bike riding. Another thing is that motorcycle and now the traditional motorcycle and the modern motorcycle has, there is a lots of change in the feature. Before we have seen only the motorcycle, but now in the modern motorcycle we have seen the lots of the changes, like that one technology is came is known as ABS. The full form of ABS is anti-braking system. And apart from that, we also seen that there are the different type of LEDs came on motorcycle, and digital panel, and fuel emission sensors. All that part is came, which can make a bike more modern, more flexible, and we can say that it can travel more easily and more affordably, saving lots of money. And apart from that, we can say that the other benefit of motorcycle is that whenever we want to go on the mountains or the biggie area where the car it is difficult to go, so that time motorcycle can save us and we can go easily with the help of motorcycle. The second benefit of motorcycle is that it is very user friendly, effective and efficient, and it is also the cost saving. And third benefit is that, for example, if you want to go to the hilly area and now you are thinking that okay, I can go with the car, so if you are going with the car it takes lots of energy, lots of traffic. But if you means thinking about that okay, I can go with motorcycle, so it can save lots of problem. And now in the modern scenario we have seen that the technology of bike is dramatically increased, and it's demonstrated that bike who has capacity is the 1100 to 1200 cc bike is also came, like the KTM and Royal Enfield are the very famous name which is famous for their biking segment. And apart from that everyone now means use the electronics for their bike. And as far as my knowledge is concerned, Ola Electric is already doing the work for this project by making the electric bike on the year of 2030. So this type of thing is that motorcycle is not only the things, but it can also improve our quality of life, and it can increase our importance, and it can save lots of time, it can save lots of energy, and it can save lots of human resources if we use motorcycle properly. And the second thing is that I have heard about the news that okay, thank you very much friend, I can provide all the important document, all the information for this motorcycle. But at the conclusion we can say that if you are using the motorcycle, so it is your legally responsibility that no one else can injure or no one can harm. And you should also take the life insurance and the motor insurance policy. For example, if there is any uncertainty is happening, so you can should claim to the policy, and the policy and the third party a person is directly connect and they can sort out the matter. And if the things is still not sort out, so there is a one link is also given on the uh, co-pilot where you can mention and you can raise your issue, that what type of issue. So as far as my concern, when you are using the motorcycle you should always follow the government rules and regulation. In the Indian part we have seen that some type of Indian is good and they are not wearing the helmet and don't respect the each and everything. So I want to request that if you want to ride the motorcycle, so you should be considered the law of the Narendra Modi in 2024, where he can tell that if you say 1 and 2 3 in a year, then India can produce 5 lakh all the clear. Thank you very much friend.